top movers segment. Hormaz.
As you said, it was a two steps forward, one step back kind of a day. But of course, there were movers on both sides of the spectrum. And let's start off with LIC. And it was only a few days earlier when we had mentioned that it had crossed its retail IPO price. Today, it crossed its original IPO price as well of 949. Its intraday high was around 955, ending significantly off the day's high, but still 2% higher. And over the last 3 months, LIC has added over 2 lakh crore rupees in market cap. What was also doing well today was HPCL, and it took 6 years for ONGC's investment in the counter to turn positive. But that is courtesy the recent rally that the stock has seen. 4.5% higher today was HPCL, but that is also on the back of a 15% gain in December and a 40% gain in November last year. What also did very well today was Shakti Pumps. And it is not only today's session that the stock has ended 15% higher. Over the last 1 month, in the month of January itself, the stock is up 50%. And if you take a 12-month calendar, you would see that the stock has tripled, gaining over 250% over the last 12 months. Azad Engineering was another stock that has been up and about, and another 20% and upper circuit in today's session after the Rolls-Royce order that it won yesterday. It was up 5.5% yesterday. Follow-up buying today, 20% higher, and it is up in 7 out of the last 8 trading sessions. We are not very used to seeing stocks like Ircon, IRFC ending lower, but they were ending lower today, almost 1.5% to 3.5% lower. So some profit booking there on the railway stocks. And as you said, the earnings, it's showing it's a market where weak earnings are getting punished, and it was that kind of a day for stocks like Coromandel International, Vedant Fashions, Bajaj Finance, Finserv, both of them ending lower, and Keystone Realtors as well. When the numbers came out, the stock was up over 5%, but once the results were out, the stock significantly corrected from the highest point of the day to end just 1.5% higher. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Hormaz, very much for that. Those are of course,